Hi, I'm Ashton and this is my Math 6 Quarter 2 performance task. Addition of integers. Dave is about to start a science experiment with 35 milliliters of a chemical solution. After completing the experiment, the solution's volume is expected to change by negative 12 milliliters. What would be the expected final volume of Dave's solution? Let us solve this problem by first writing an expression that represents the situation. You need to find the expected final volume of the solution, so you would need to add the starting volume and the expected change in it. 35 milliliters plus negative 12 milliliters equals N. 35 milliliters minus 12 milliliters equals N. 23 milliliters equals N. Normally, adding would give you a bigger total, but in this case, we get a smaller value because we are adding a negative number. The final volume was 23 milliliters. Subtraction of integers. New Orleans is 5 meters below sea level. Baton Rouge is 20 meters above sea level. How much higher is Baton Rouge than New Orleans? Again, let us solve this problem by first writing an expression that represents the situation. You need to find how much higher Baton Rouge is than New Orleans, so you would need to subtract their elevation levels. First, we need to convert New Orleans' elevation to a negative number because it is below sea level, which is 0 elevation. Since we are now subtracting a negative number, we can simplify this to become adding its negated integer. 20 meters minus negative 5 meters equals N. 20 meters plus 5 meters equals N. 25 meters equals N. Baton Rouge is 25 meters higher than New Orleans. Multiplication of integers. A test has 30 questions. The test awards 2 points if the answer is correct and takes away 1 point if the answer is incorrect. Clark answered 6 questions of the test incorrectly. How many points did Clark get? Alright, let us again write an equation that represents this problem to solve it. If Clark got 6 questions incorrectly on a 30-question test, then he got 24 of them correctly, which is the difference between 30 and 6. We then multiply the correct and incorrect answers Clark got with their respective points. Then add the products. When we multiply two numbers with the same signs, we get a positive product. But when they have different signs, we get a negative product. 24, which are how many questions you got correct, times 2 points, which are how many points you get for every correct answer, plus 6, which are how many questions you got incorrect, times negative 1 point, which is how many points you are negated for every incorrect answer, equals N. 48 points plus negative 6 points equals N. 48 points minus 6 points equals N. 42 points equals N. Clark got 42 points in the test. Division of integers. If the temperature changes at a rate of negative 2 degrees Celsius per hour, after how many hours will the temperature become 16 degrees Celsius colder than when it started? Let us write the equation to solve this problem. Since the final temperature is 16 degrees Celsius colder, we write it as a negative change in temperature. We then divide it by the hourly rate of change in temperature to get the time it takes for the said change. When we divide two numbers with the same signs, we get a positive quotient, but when they have different signs, we get a negative quotient. In this equation, we are dividing both negative integers, so the answer is now positive. Negative 16 degrees Celsius divided by negative 2 degrees Celsius per hour equals N. 8 hours equals N. It will take 8 hours for the temperature to become 16 degrees Celsius colder.